All right, let me quickly show you this powerful side hustle. Yes, this one is currently hot now, and that is how you can make money from one AI platform. So though what I'm saying is not something that is a huge money, if 30,000 or 50,000 naira is not too small for you, then you need this video, honestly, because with this video now, you are going to learn how to make daily income from this AI. Daily income as low as 1,000 naira that you can make from this AI, and at the end of the month, you can withdraw it. In fact, you can even make your withdrawal every 2 weeks. You can withdraw from it and bring it out. That is why I want to show you my own dashboard for, so I can see that I've been able to make it. That's why I'm coming here to come and show you. Now, before we delve into the video, what you're going to do now for me is that remember to subscribe to this channel. This is what will make you to be able to see more about this information. And don't forget, I've already given out one particular secret last video, which is about how to clone a voice with AI. You can actually check that video again to see. But today now, we're about to see how to make money from this particular AI that I'm going to be showing you. Now, first and foremost, let me log into my own dashboard so that you can see what I'm talking about. All right, you can see my screen. This is my own particular dashboard. Let me log in now for you to see. Open, and let me open my agent dashboard. Now you can see that I have 50,000 a year in my withdrawable balance that I can withdraw to my own account, and this is where I can make my withdrawal. You can see I can submit my request. This is my bank, which is OPay. You know that that's our own virtual bank that normally use. Now let's leave that now. Now, what is this particular AI about, and how can you use it? Now, this AI was created because we have one daily thing that in Nigeria we normally do. And what is that particular thing? That is data and airtime. Everybody always do their data and airtime, if not every day, maybe every week or every month. So that is why this AI was created, which means they can chat with this AI to buy data, to buy that airtime. And where do you come in? Now you can register as agents on this particular platform, and as you refer people, like when you share your link to people and people use that link to buy the data from it, you earn from a commission from that particular transaction. Now you might think that how will I be sharing link and how will I go about it? Even though you don't know anything about marketing, it's still simple. Everything that you need to do is in your dashboard. For example, now this AI business manager, in this one now, it shows you if you have already reached your target or not. And if I scroll down here, it gives me the caption that I can post along with my referral code. I can copy this caption now and do what? And post it. I don't care if anybody uses it or not. All I'm just ensuring that one person should click on it. And you know the secret there. That person, once they save that AI number and they continue to chat it to buy that data and airtime, they don't need to use your link again. Your link is already attached with that number, and you continue earning as long as the person keep using that AI to buy the data and airtime. Now, let's say you are thinking of, okay, what will I post today? How will I get people today? In this marketing center here, the graphics, everything that you need is already here. Or you need to download it. And once you download it and share it, the funniest thing is that this thing that you are downloading is already going along with your link. Anybody that use it, I repeat, anybody that use it will pay for that thing, because the commission will be out of that particular transaction. Now, let me just go to my commission ledger. I can see how people are doing what, how people are making transactions, and how I can do what, I can withdraw and I can make money there. I can even see people that are buying from me, and I can come to leaderboard here to come and see who I'm competing with in this particular space. Now, like I said, this AI is not guaranteeing you big money, but it's just like a side hustle that you can use. At least if 30,000 is not too small, or 50,000 is not too small to make money from. So you can actually come to my comment section now, request for the link. I'm going to drop the link that you can use to register, and you can start making the money. Though this is the link in case you want to do it. Just this link, apply. Let me shorten this, apply.php. Once I click on this apply now, it's going to take me directly to where I can sign up. It's because I'm already signed up. That's why it's showing me my agent portal. If I'm not, it's going to take me to registration aspect where I'm going to start doing the registration. So in case you need this thing, you can come to my comment section. I'm going to drop the link there. You can use it and do what? And start making your money. And if it's not coming, you can make a comment too. Let me know if you have any blockers that is blocking you. I can actually do what? Assist you on how to go about it. See you in my next video when I'm going to be dropping another secret again that you need in this digital space. That is what I know how to do best. I'm digital marketer Olawale. Catch ya.